Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys. And today, yeah guys, you guys don't even know, but the Q60 is still here and it's on its way out. So but this is annoying, but anyway, hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. All right, guys, so what's the story? What's going on with the Q60? Now, you guys don't really see the Q60 so much on the channel because, yes, guys, it's for sale. I'm going to end up selling it. And I fully demodified it from my friend's shop, All Out Motorworks. So, me and my other friend, we went to go and pick the car up about almost a week ago. And, you know, some spirited driving back. When we finally got back, we found out that the windshield was cracked. This is a freaking terrible thing because I can't sell a car with a broken windshield. No one's gonna really want to buy it, or they're gonna want to take like $2,000-$3,000 off. So I do have Geico insurance, and they do have full coverage for glass. I have full coverage on glass. So I'm going to a safe light location. So I have to go pick up the Q60, and then from there, yeah, we're gonna see if these guys can fix this crack. All right, we're next to the car and take a look. Oof. Now this is about, if you ever had a dollar coin, this is about the size of that, but this part right here is what throws me off. That right there. So I don't know, I might have to get a replacement windshield because from what I was told, because I have the rain sensing camera or lane assist, they may have to reorder a whole new windshield. But we will wait and see. All right, so I went to the safe light, and honestly, it was kind of a waste of time. They already said, yeah, the crack is actually too big, so you're gonna need a full window replacement. I'm like, okay, so what's the process? So they said, now I have to go call back the insurance and have it put it in, file a claim as a windshield replacement, and then I guess they'll coordinate with each other based on my VIN and order the proper windshield to come in. So yeah, this video isn't going to be all dropped at one time. I'm probably going to update this until it's actually fixed. Super annoying. Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys. And today, well, this is a continuation. We're going to go get the Q60, and then we're going to, after we get the Q60, we're going to go drop it to Safe Light and get that windshield repaired. All right, we're back in we are back in the Q60, and yep, we're here. It's been a minute. So let's keep ourselves out of trouble because there's a speed camera right here. And this Ultima's ready to do some real big Ultima energy bullshit. Guys, so I pulled up to Safe Light, and look at this car's windshield crack. Look at that. How do you even crack your windshield like this? Yo, that's freaking crazy. But pull up to Safe Light. Because my car has the cameras and everything, they have to sync in the cameras and the sensors, so that's what they're currently taking care of right now. I guess only they said that they can do it and the dealer could do it. Regular windshield spots, I called, said that they actually don't have the machines to actually do that. It is what it is. So what I want to tell you guys is this. So I dropped the car off at 11 a.m. to Safe Light. Now they stated that, all right, cool, it takes about 3 hours. Everything's automated, so I got a text about 12:45 that said, oh, we just now beginning working on your car. Almost 2 hours late. It is what it is, I understand. So they got everything done. I came here, it's about almost minutes to 4 o'clock, so I've been here, so they've had the car for about almost 5 hours. So they pulled the car out and they said, hey, we're having a issue. And I was like, okay, what's the issue? They stated that my Q60 has 2 different cameras, and the way that you sync up the system, when you try to resync one, you have to resync the other. So basically they're saying that, yeah, it's actually kind of a problem syncing it up, and if they can't sync it up, what they're gonna have to do is recommend me go to the dealer, and then they'll cover the cost or anything that needs to be done with that. Yep, that freaking sucks. So about 5 hours, windshield's replaced, but they really want to sync the cameras up, and they saying that software literally could cover about 95% of resyncing up the cameras. This is all for lane guidance and cruise control and stuff like that, but it said, but my car is one of the ones that's like part of that 5%. Thank you, Infiniti. I appreciate you. All right, guys, so we made it back home. So, is the windshield fixed? Yes, it is fixed, and the Q60 can finally try to be resold now. Yep. What I want to say is, Safe Light, at least this Safe Light location, I think was pretty trash. I know it's a really busy location, but from what was told to me, at other locations that don't have as much traffic, they get things done a lot faster. I mean, the appointment was for 11. They pulled in the car around 12:45, 1 o'clock. And by the time I got back there, 3:30, 4 o'clock, it was already done. It's just they were trying to sync it up. I guess they had to do something, as they said, they needed a remote company or a company by remote to sync it up because their software just wasn't able to do so. So they had to do it remotely, unfortunately. So yeah, I pretty much was there from 11. The appointment was there from 11, and I didn't leave there till minutes till 6 o'clock. So almost 7 hours. But luckily I didn't stay around waiting. But we got the car fixed, and you guys know what now. Yep. We're going to take this car to CarMax, or we're going to try to take it to Carvana or Vroom, or one of those other companies. I already have a video on the channel talking about how much I would get for the car already. I already dropped the price and everything. Well, dropped the price of what I wanted for the car modded. But now that it's stock and that the windshield is fixed, now we can finally sell this car and see what else we can get. Z, M3, G37, I don't know. Really want a G37, but we gotta wait and see. Well, hopefully we go with CarMax, because CarMax is a lot easier to actually work with. And it's a one-stop shop from what it seems. So, guys, please tap in with your boy Boost. Don't think that I'm not gonna continue to make videos for you guys. I mean, this video probably got dropped a little late right now, so just know that I know that I'm gonna start dropping a lot of new videos, updated videos on stuff for this platform, because a lot more people are still coming to this platform and they want to know what to do, and I'm putting the videos out, updating them and refreshing them so that you guys know exactly what to do, what parts to get, and that you don't have to try to figure it out. All right, so Saturday, guys, we have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you for always banging with your boy Boost, man. I mean, if you watched this part, I mean, you already hit the like button. I really hope you definitely hit the like button, because we really do need that. YouTubers do need a like button. It's something that you guys can do for free to give back. All right, so please and thank you. So Saturday, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, and good night again. Appreciate it. You guys have a good day.